With many roofs, the lowest roof tiles extend slightly into the gutter. In such cases, the DaRi system parts cannot be easily installed. With most roofs, the lowest roof tiles can be slid slightly under the second row of roof tiles. To do this, you either tap the roof tiles from bottom to top, or you lift the second row of roof tiles and then slide the lowest roof tiles up. Then you can carefully and securely place the individual DaRi system parts one by one into the gutter and clip them securely, and afterwards gently and slowly slide the roof tiles back down so that they end just above the DaRi system part. This way, you get a clean connection of the roof tiles to the DaRi system part and have optimal protection of the gutter, even though the roof tiles initially extended slightly into the gutter.